owns the means of production in different systems. Imagine a world where factories, land, and machines are owned by different groups of people. Who controls these resources shapes how the economy works and who benefits from it. In economies based on capitalism, the means of production are owned by private individuals or companies. Think of entrepreneurs, families, or big corporations that own factories, farms, or land. They make decisions about what to produce, how to produce it, and who gets the goods. Workers sell their labor to these owners for wages, but they don't own the products or tools they use. This system relies on competition, with prices and production levels driven by supply and demand. In socialist systems, the idea is that the community or society as a whole should own the means of production. Instead of private owners, the government or the people control resources like factories and land. The goal is to produce goods and services based on what people need, not just for profit. One common approach is state ownership, where the government manages major industries and resources. This aims to distribute wealth more evenly and prevent exploitation by private owners. Another form of social ownership is cooperative or collective ownership. Here, workers themselves own and run their workplaces. Everyone has a say in decisions and shares in the profits. This setup tries to remove the divide between owners and workers, giving those who produce the goods direct control over their work. Cooperatives can operate within a market economy or as part of a planned socialist system. Some socialist ideas go even further with common ownership. In this vision, the means of production are directly controlled by the people who use them. Workers and communities manage production democratically, making decisions together. The aim is to eliminate class differences and create a society where economic power is shared equally. In real life, socialist countries have used various methods. Some have nationalized large industries, while others support worker cooperatives or mixed economies with both public and private sectors. The core belief remains that social ownership can reduce inequality and give workers more say in how the economy runs. To sum up, in capitalist systems, private owners control the means of production, focusing on profit and market forces. In socialist systems, social ownership, whether through the state, cooperatives, or direct democratic control, is the goal. Each approach reflects different ideas about who should have power over resources and how wealth should be shared. Means of production are the factories, land, and machinery used to make goods and services. Social ownership means society as a whole, or the workers, control these resources. State ownership is when the government manages them for the public good. Cooperative ownership involves workers managing their workplaces directly. And common ownership is when everyone who uses the resources has a say in managing them. Understanding who owns the means of production helps us see how different economic systems aim to organize society and distribute wealth. It's a key part of comparing how economies function and what they prioritize: profit, equality, or community well-being.